How to install OnlyFans on your phone. As you know, there is no official app of OnlyFans available on Play Store or App Store, but there is a way you can install OnlyFans on your mobile. And in order to install OnlyFans on your smartphone, first make sure you have Google Chrome on your phone. Now once you got Google Chrome, open it and then visit to onlyfans.com. Now if you are not signed in to your OnlyFans account, log into your OnlyFans account using your email and password. Once you logged in, you will be landed in your OnlyFans homepage. Now here at the very top right corner of your Google Chrome browser, tap on the three dot icon. And from here, select on Add to Home Screen. And then you will get this pop-up to install OnlyFans app on your phone. So here click on Install. And OnlyFans app will be installed on your Android or iPhone. And now let me show you by opening the app. So let's go back to my phone homepage. And that is, as you can see, this is OnlyFans app. I have successfully installed it. And if I open OnlyFans, I will be directly landed in my OnlyFans account's homepage. So that's it. That's how you can install OnlyFans on your phone. And if you found this video helpful, make sure you hit the like button and leave a comment if possible. And if you want to turn up two-step verification on OnlyFans, then watch this video and I will see you in the next one.